Guys, welcome to another episode. Today we are at the zoo. This is Fukuyama Zoo in Kyoto, or northern Kyoto I should say. Really small ass zoo. The entrance to the Fukuyama Zoo. The ticket prices are for adults, it's going to be 210 yen, so like $2.10. For children under 4, it's apparently free. So let's go and check it out. So we just entered the zoo. At first they have their own like mini souvenir shop at the beginning. Here's the first stop, it's a boar. Over here they have some chickens and roosters. Check out their turtle pit. As you can see, there's just a mountain of turtles. Got some food to give them. This cost me 50 cents. And Asuka took it away from me very quickly. Sonia is loving this. Asuka's giving them some cabbage, very nice. One big goat. Damn. So in the zoo they have this random fish bowl. Next up we got the sheep. That's a nice sheep. Check this out, they got this huge vulture too. CRAZ monkeys. Oh wow, interesting. Oh, and then there's another one over here. Oh, very good. They have a gibbon, which I believe is some form of a monkey. As you can see, right around there. Sonia gave the bird. Oh yes. We have a huge black bear. You can hear Sonia's very excited voice in the background. Oh look, they have a pony. There's a pony. We're gonna feed the pony. Oh yeah, Sonia's feeding the pony. We also have they have one penguin with fish in there. It looks like dead fishes in there. All right, next up they have a deer. Sonia's going to feed the deer. Put the lettuce in there, and that deer ate it. We also have some nice kangaroos that are sleeping. They are eastern gray kangaroos, in case you wanted to know what type. Over here we have a raccoon, or I should note a common raccoon. In the middle they got lots of dove birds, because that's what you want to see. Oh, and like a swan, goose? I don't know what that is. You can do it, Sonia. Ah, you can do it. Wow, it's like Tarzan. First she was scared, but now she absolutely loves giving the rabbits lettuce. Over here they apparently have some flamingos. As you can see, there's lots of different colors. You got the dark red, the pink ones, white ones, etc. A sign letting you know that, hey, we have some squirrels, because seeing squirrels in Japan is pretty rare. Check it out, here they have some ostriches, and for reasons I do not know, they have pigs. I did not know pigs and ostriches could be together. Over here we have some more goats, or specifically the long-eared goat. Yeah. And they have like a pig pen. Oh, lots of pigs. So apparently you can actually enter the pig pen, and that looks very nice. That one looks very pregnant. Wants to eat Sonia's bread. Here we go. Lesser pandas. It's like they're literally less than a panda. I have no idea, but they look like raccoons to me. Last time I came here, there was 2 of them, and they were going at each other. Sonia is rocking that rabbit. Very nice. So they have some ducks over here, and actually over here in the Japanese it says that they're not gonna actually let the ducks come out until springtime, because they don't want them to get the bird flu. Interesting. So, that was okay. Look at that turkey speaking. Pretty much Asuka freaked out, and Sonia freaked out too. Check this out, they have a hamster in the zoo. They even have a nice owl. Look at that owl. Alright guys, that's gonna finish up my Fukuyama Zoo video. Hope you enjoyed it. At the end I actually took a bunch of these things are this UFO catching game, which is pretty cool. But I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, if you have any questions about this video or any other videos, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.